It's not a particularly close shave, just a reminder that we share space with a lot of fast-moving rocks. A sizable space rock will make its closest approach to Earth in 4 centuries on Wednesday evening, February 15th, but there's nothing to fear. The near-Earth asteroid 2005 YY128 will zoom within 2.8 million miles, 4.5 million kilometers, of our planet at 7:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, 0:46 GMT on February 16th, closer than it's gotten to us in more than 400 years, according to earthsky.org. Hello and welcome to KYC News. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Still, that's about 12 times the distance from Earth to the Moon, so there's no chance the asteroid will hit us on this pass, experts stress. As its name suggests, 2005 YY128 was discovered in 2005 by astronomers at Kitt Peak Observatory in southern Arizona. Over the past 17 years, researchers have mapped its orbit with a high degree of precision. Their observations, however, haven't nailed down 2005 YY128 size. The best astronomers can give us is a diameter range, somewhere between 1,903 feet, 580 meters, and 4,265 feet, 1.3 kilometers, according to EarthSky. 2005 YY128 therefore qualifies as a potentially hazardous asteroid, PHA, a designation given to space rocks at least 460 feet, 140 meters, wide whose orbits take them within 0.05 astronomical units, AU, of our planet. 1 AU is the average Earth-Sun distance, about 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers. So 5 cents is roughly 4.6 million miles, or 7.4 million kilometers. If 2005 YY128 did slam into Earth, it would do serious damage, no matter which part of its stated size range the asteroid actually occupies. The largest near-Earth asteroids, greater than 1 kilometer diameter, have the potential to cause geologic and climate effects on a global scale, disrupting human civilization and perhaps even resulting in extinction of the species, the Sweden-based nonprofit Global Challenges Foundation wrote of the asteroid impact threat, opens in new tab. Smaller NEOs, near-Earth objects, in the 140 meter to 1 kilometer size range could cause regional up to continental devastation, potentially killing hundreds of millions. Again, however, do not be alarmed. 2005 YY128 poses no danger on this pass. 2005 YY128's close approach comes on a fateful day, the 10th anniversary of the Chelyabinsk airburst. On February 15, 2013, a roughly 65-foot wide, 20 m, space rock exploded without warning over the Russian city of Chelyabinsk, shattering thousands of windows and causing minor injuries on the ground, mostly from flying shards of broken glass. The incident highlighted the importance of better understanding the NEO population, astronomers said, stressing that it's only a matter of time before a truly dangerous asteroid lines Earth up in its crosshairs. NASA opened its Planetary Defense Coordination Office a few years after the Chelyabinsk event, and astronomers and researchers around the world have joined the Earth protection fight. As a result, scientists are getting a better and better handle on the NEO population. For example, NASA and its partners have found more than 95% of the asteroids out there at least 0.6 miles, 1 kilometer, wide that are thought to come within 30 million miles, 50 million kilometers, of Earth at some point. And none of them pose a danger for the foreseeable future. Asteroid 2023 BU is about the size of a box truck and is predicted to make one of the closest approaches by a near-Earth object ever recorded. On Thursday, January 26th, a small near-Earth asteroid will have a very close encounter with our planet. Designated 2023 BU, the asteroid will zoom over the southern tip of South America at about 4:27 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, only 2,200 miles, 3,600 kilometers, above the planet's surface and well within the orbit of geosynchronous satellites. there is no risk of the asteroid impacting Earth. But even if it did, this small asteroid, estimated to be 11.5 to 28 feet, 3.5 to 8.5 meters across, would turn into a fireball and largely disintegrate harmlessly in the atmosphere, with some of the bigger debris potentially falling as small meteorites. The asteroid was discovered by amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov, discoverer of the interstellar comet 2I/Borisov, from his Margot Observatory in Nakhny, Crimea, on Saturday, January 21st. Additional observations were reported to the Minor Planet Center, MPC, the internationally recognized clearinghouse for the position measurements of small celestial bodies, and the data was then automatically posted to the Near-Earth Object Confirmation page. After sufficient observations were collected, the MPC announced the discovery. Within 3 days, a number of observatories around the world had made dozens of observations, helping astronomers better refine 2023 BU's orbit. NASA's Scout Impact Hazard Assessment System, which is maintained by the Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, CNEOS, at the agency's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California, analyzed the data from the MPC's confirmation page and quickly predicted the near miss. CNEOS calculates every known near-Earth asteroid orbit to provide assessments of potential impact hazards in support of NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, PDCO. Scout quickly ruled out 2023 BU as an impactor, but despite the very few observations, it was nonetheless able to predict that the asteroid would make an extraordinarily close approach with Earth, said Davide Farnochia, a navigation engineer at JPL who developed Scout. In fact, this is one of the closest approaches by a known near-Earth object ever recorded. While any asteroid in Earth's proximity will experience a change in trajectory due to our planet's gravity, 2023 BU will come so close that its path around the Sun is expected to be significantly altered. Before encountering Earth, the asteroid's orbit around the Sun was roughly circular, approximating Earth's orbit, taking 359 days to complete its orbit about the Sun. After its encounter, the asteroid's orbit will be more elongated, moving it out to about halfway between Earth's and Mars' orbits at its farthest point from the Sun. The asteroid will then complete one orbit every 425 days. A list of known near-Earth asteroid close approaches less than 1 lunar distance, 0.00256996 AU, 384,410 kilometers, 238,860 miles, from Earth in 2022. 1. During 2022, about 124 asteroids passed within 1 LD of Earth. As most asteroids passing within a lunar distance are less than 40 meters in diameter, they generally are not detected until they are within several million km of Earth. For reference, the radius of Earth is about 0.0000426 AU, 6,370 kilometers, 3,960 miles, or 0.0166 lunar distances. Geosynchronous satellites have an orbit with semi-major axis length of 0.000282 AU, 42,200 kilometers, 26,200 miles, or 0.110 lunar distances. The first asteroid flyby within 1 LD of Earth in 2022 was asteroid 2021 YK, 10 to 20 meters in diameter, which was observed on December 27, 2021, 4:40 Universal Time, when it was about 3.8 million kilometers from Earth and passed 0.49 LD, 190,000 kilometers, from Earth on January 2, 2022. The largest asteroid to pass within 1 LD of Earth in 2022 was 2022 TM2 with an estimated diameter of around 39 meters for an absolute magnitude of 25.2. The fastest asteroid to pass within 1 LD of Earth in 2022 was 2022 YW6 that passed Earth with a velocity with respect to Earth of 29.8 kilometers per second, 67,000 miles per hour. Two asteroids, 2022 EB5 and 2022 WJ1, are noteworthy in that both were detected before impacting Earth. 2022 EB5 and 2022 WJ1 are the fifth and sixth successfully predicted impacts in history, respectively. The latter also holds the record for the smallest asteroid discovered while in space, with an estimated diameter less than 1 meter, 3.3 feet, across. Every year, dozens of asteroids impact Earth with enough force to be detected by infrasound sensors designed to detect detonation of nuclear devices, but the vast majority of impacts are unpredicted and occur without warning. Fortunately, most occur over uninhabited areas. 2005 YY128 will zoom within 2.8 million miles, 4.5 million kilometers, of our planet on Wednesday. That's about 12 times the distance from Earth to the Moon, so there's no chance the asteroid will hit us. The asteroid's close approach comes on a fateful day, the 10th anniversary of the Chelyabinsk airburst. A sizable asteroid will make its closest approach to Earth in 4 centuries on Wednesday evening, February 15th, but there's nothing to fear. Thanks for watching and see you on next videos.